Hello, I'm Evan with Woo Ninjas. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today's video is about how to enable comments on LearnDash lessons and topics for better student engagement. So to set the default comment behavior for new lessons and topics, you need to go to your WordPress dashboard, then head over to Settings, Discussion. Here, find the option that says Allow people to submit comments on new posts. Make sure that this is checked, and then scroll down and click on Save Changes. Next, we need to make sure LearnDash lessons can actually support comments. Go to LearnDash LMS, Lessons. Once you're on the Lessons page, click Settings. Scroll down to Editor Supported Settings and make sure Comments is enabled. Finally, click Save. This step ensures that your lessons are ready to accept comments. Now let's do the same for topics. Go to LearnDash LMS, Topics. Once you're on the Topics page, click Settings, scroll down to Editor Supported Settings, and make sure that the comments are enabled. Click Save, and now both of your lessons and topics are fully comment ready. So, what does this mean for any new content you create? Well, if WordPress Discussion setting is enabled and LearnDash lessons topics have comment support enabled, then any new lesson or topic you create from this point forward will automatically have comments open. You don't have to do anything extra. WordPress and LearnDash automatically handle it for you. And for the content you created before enabling these settings, you'll need to manually open comment. First of all, you'll need to edit the lesson or topic, then look for the discussion panel on the right, and if it says closed, change it to open, and finally click save. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon below. Thanks for watching.